Hello and welcome to Lincoln Elementary School. My name is Tracy Strieder and I am the school principal. Our kindergarten teachers are Mrs. Archer, Mrs. Pollock, and Mrs. Crane. Mrs. Kissinger teaches our special needs students in grades kindergarten through second grade. Our kindergarten school day begins with a very good breakfast that has all the fruit and vegetables they can eat and plenty of adults to help them. In their classroom, the students begin with morning circle to build community. They do daily calendar activities to build their numeracy skills. They do daily read-alouds, both to build background knowledge and for enjoyment. The students also have opportunities to work in small groups, in guided reading with the teacher reading their own books, working with breaking apart words and letters, listening to books for enjoyment, and working in an art and letters center, working with both literacy skills and art enjoyment. They also will have use of daily technology to build those skills. We use the Lips-Wilson Fundations program for phonics, which builds on student phonic knowledge from kindergarten through second grade. Our teachers use word walls to build student vocabulary. And they use anchor charts, both to make learning visible and to build in choice. Students have a daily writer's workshop where our kindergarten teachers become the authors of their own texts. Students also get a good lunch during the day, again having all the fruits and vegetables they want. Science in kindergarten looks at understanding the world around us, day and night, how plants grow, and how different materials are made. Our day ends at 2:55, and students need to be picked up by an adult if they are not a bus rider. If you need to change the way your child is getting picked up in the afternoon, we ask that you please call the office before 2:15 so that we can make sure that information gets to the teacher and your student. How to register for Lincoln? You can go to sb.school and register online, or you can come to Lincoln between 8 o'clock and 3 o'clock any day after July 15th. What you will need to register are your student's immunization records, birth certificate, proof of address, and health forms. If you register online, those forms can also be brought to the school after July 15th. The health forms you need are your immunizations, a physical exam, dental exam, and eye exam. And those will go to Miss Dulce Trejo, who is our school nurse and is in our building all day, every day. We do have a kindergarten supply list that is available on our website. And we just want you to know that with our new world, you may see some of us in masks, but we don't want you to be afraid for that. We will be smiling underneath, and we are glad to meet you. Thank you. If you have any questions, you can call us at 574-393-2300, and we hope to see you all on August 12th for our first day of school.